Here's a great deal on a 2018 Ford Escape. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, heated seats, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, a power liftgate, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.